Let's continue with the meaning of numbers in Scripture and how they can enhance the original meaning. Concerning the number 14, it is a double measure of the number 7, which symbolizes spiritual perfection. So consequently, the number 14 implies a double measure of spiritual perfection. With that in mind, we see certain times the number 14 is used, such as Joseph having to serve a total of 14 years to obtain Laban's 2 daughters, Leah and Rachel. Rachel was barren for 14 years before she bore Jacob's 2 sons. According to Genesis 46:22, the total number of sons attributed to Rachel, including Joseph and Benjamin and their sons, is 14. Abraham spent 14 years from the time he left Charan until Isaac was born. The sages teach that the number 14 means a strong hand of Yahuwah in his ability to take care of his beloved bride. The sages also teach that Jacob hid himself in the home of his ancestors and teacher, Elber, the grandson of Shem, where he immersed himself daily in the study of the Scriptures during those 14 years. The Israelites settled in Gilgad on the western shore of the Jordan, where they set up the tabernacle, which stayed there for 14 years, until Joshua led them to conquer and divide the land of Canaan, which actually took another 14 years of fighting before they completely conquered and settled in the land of Israel. Passover is celebrated on the 14th day of the first month, and the 14th of Adar is the beginning of the celebration of Purim. During Feast of Tabernacles, from the first day to the 7th day, the Torah commands 14 male lambs to be sacrificed each day. The Hebrew gematria for the name David is the number 14, which can also mean kingship. The number 1400 is the number of Solomon's chariots, and Job apparently owned 14,000 sheep. Describing the genealogies in Matthew 1:17, there are 14 generations from Abraham to King David, and another 14 generations from David until being carried away into Babylon. And then there is another 14 generations from Babylon to the birth of Yeshua, our Messiah, which is a total of 3 14s. Remember to look for the hidden meaning in numbers. I'm Bill Sanford with a Torah thought for the day.